Hey, this is Jennifer from Merry and Bright. We're back with another Finch and Fennel little dinner idea for you. This week we are using two of the products. We're using sweet bourbon grilling sauce, and we're also using the honey habanero barbecue sauce. So what we're making is a barbecue chicken salad. Now this is not going to be a creamy salad like a traditional chicken salad. This is a salad with lettuce. And so I've gone ahead and I've pre-cooked my chicken 25 minutes on 375. You do have to marinate your chicken. They say for 2 hours or overnight. You marinate it in a half a cup each of the barbecue sauces. And you just I put it in a Ziploc bag and just squished it around, and it was fine this morning. So that has been prepared. Also, one of the ingredients is corn that they ask you to cook and get a little color on. So I have my corn there. And I've chopped up our watermelon, which is an untraditional salad ingredient, I think. Some green onions and cilantro to top it with, some cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. So all of that's ready to go, but we need a dressing for our salad. And so in the recipe, they give you the dressing, and we need a half a cup of our savory bourbon grilling sauce. So I have that measured out here. So we'll just pour that in what's going to be our dressing jar. Okay, should have gotten my spatula, didn't do it. And then it needs, let's see, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So shake this up, put in our 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And 1 to 3 tablespoons of honey. So I think we're gonna split it down the middle and use about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of the honey. Now Max just went to the Claremont County Fair and brought back some honey with him. Oh God, it's not even on there. And so we're gonna use that honey. So let's just see if we can, I just squirted my spoon with a little Pam so this slides out when we pour it. Little Martha trick. Okay, and I'm just gonna squeeze another little dollop in there, and then we'll be good. So I think that was probably 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of honey. And then we need a tablespoon, I believe, of Worcestershire. I can never say it, so I'm just gonna say it like that. So let's get our tablespoon of that. And then we need 6 tablespoons of olive oil. So, and that's the dressing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So now let's assemble everything, and then we'll shake up our dressing and get that ready. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to throw in my chicken. I've already cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Okay. And then I'm going to take my tomatoes and onions. We'll just get those up here. Get those in our bowl. And then I'm going to kind of like chop up this feta or crumble it or something and get that going. We don't want any big hunks. We just want it nice and so you get some in every bite. close enough. Okay, so we'll put this in. Here comes the watermelon and the cilantro. And then the last thing we have is our corn. So if you don't like cilantro, don't add the cilantro. This also called for a avocado, a whole avocado, which I had here yesterday. But if any of you have teenage boys, you understand that it can be there 1 minute and gone the next. And I came home tonight and it was gone. So we do not have our avocado in here. Not the end of the world. Things happen. So I'm gonna move my cutting board. This is what our salad looks like. We're gonna shake up our dressing. Now they say you dress the whole salad and then serve it. Okay, but if it's just you or you and your spouse or whatever, a couple of people, because 2 people aren't going to eat all this, I don't know that 4 people could eat all this. And once you dress it, it's done. So I am not going to pour the dressing over this. What I will do is probably put out a little in a bowl so I can taste it. I'm just going to use the same bowl I had my corn in. First, we're going to mix this up. Now, it calls for romaine lettuce. Use what you have. These meals are supposed to be quick and simple. So, if you need to make changes, make the changes. Not the end of the world. So, I think I have a little bit of everything. I want to make sure I have the watermelon because I'll be honest, I've never had watermelon in a salad. So, we'll see how it tastes. Make sure that this is good. Give it a good shaky. And pour a little bit on here. It's good, different. Let's see what our salad tastes like. I'm gonna have a watermelon and a piece of chicken. Whoop. That's really good. And it's squirting out of my mouth. I would put a little salt on it. But very good. The watermelon is very refreshing in it. So it balances the barbecue. It's very good. So if you decide you want to try this recipe, both of the sauces are in the shop. They're $9.95 each. And you can come in, stop in and get them. Order it online. We'll get it ready so you can just run in and pick it up, or we can run it out to your car. So I encourage you to give this a try. Different, but very, very good. So until next time, see ya. Bye.